Hey guys, so in the previous video, we have shown you how to upload your data sources, your like the things that you want to give to your assistant, to your AI agent to work with. And then next up, you want to tell your AI agent what to actually do with these data sources that you've just uploaded. And this is the behaviors here. These are behaviors. That's what they call them here. And this is super simple. Like it's basically giving your AI agent instructions, what you want your AI agent to do with the data sources that you've just uploaded.
Yeah, so for example, we in the last video we created a spreadsheet. So maybe we have a form that is putting emails into the spreadsheet. So I want a free coupon, I create a Google form, the Google form puts it to a spreadsheet. So every time I get a new person that puts an email in the spreadsheet, I want it to email me that I got a new lead, let's just say. So what you do is you click behaviors and you say, okay, behaviors, we're going to create a behavior. Whenever a new row is created, I want to be emailed, and I want that email to say you have received a new lead. Follow up with this person. And then I click add trigger. So what's going to make this happen? So if I click add trigger, there we go. It's already recognizing what I'm talking to it, and I'm saying I'm telling it what I want to have happen. That's what's so great about this. This is the magic because I don't have to be a programmer. I'm telling it what I want to have happen, and it's understanding what I'm trying to do here. So it's saying if there's a new row that's created, which is what I want, when there's a new email, when a new row is created for AI agents exposed, add the trigger, and I want it to email me. So I want it to go to my Gmail. Send me the email, and I'm going to choose the Gmail that I want it to go to. Again, another free program. And the more that you do this, the quicker it becomes. So all I'm saying is every time I get a new email, every time I get a new email address in my spreadsheet to email it to me. So yes, I want it to go to my Gmail. I want it to go to my James Renouf help. Continue. Allow it. So now it's going to create that connection. Add action. And let's test it. Test the behavior. So I'm about to begin a test. And there it is. It's saying you have received a new lead. It's showing me exactly what's going to happen. This looks beautiful. New lead notification. You've received a new lead. Does everything look great? This looks great. Let's do it. And I can talk to it just in the normal way I would talk to. And it's sending me the email. All right. So it's saying it's ready to go. So I had it all set up, and there it is. There's my, every time I now get an email into my spreadsheet, in this case, I'm going to get an email to where I directed it that says new lead notification, and you received a new lead. Follow up with this person. Now I could have it do more. I could have said, show me what their email address was. I could have it sent somewhere else. I could have had an email come in that I put to an autoresponder. I could have an email that's then sent to my GoToWebinar. These are all things and actions that could be done. But once this is ready to go, it's now set up. So now it's set up, it's running. It's running. So every time that I go in, or now that I have this Google Sheet set up, every time I get a new email, it's going to do the action. But see, remember when you go to,
So now everything has been set up already, and so you can just see that where it says data sources and behaviors, there are now like three little icons, two like here Google Sheets and also Gmail, and this is telling you that everything has been set up and you're basically good to go. And this is just how easy it is. And yeah, people are out there paying you money to do this for them, or if you want to do this in your own business, well, then you can just do it as easy as this.
and once we click on it here, all you do is just put it on. And now it's running. Every time there is a new lead in this example put here, it's going to email me or it's going to email my customer. Think about all these different things and just really open up your mind. Do you want to notify someone if there's a lead? Do you want it that it's going to, whenever I get an email address put in the spreadsheet, that it's going to put it on an autoresponder? Do I want it that whenever I get a new email, that I want to put it to a go-to webinar? Do I want it to go to one of the 6,000 different things that it integrates with? This is doing a process. So now in this particular case, this person's going to be notified every time there's a lead. They're super, super excited. But that's just one example of like a 10,000 that you could do. And we did this very quickly. And now this is up and running. And I could charge someone monthly for this server. I could charge someone monthly for this service. This service, I could easily sell this for $100 a month to the right person to have a lead generation system. Mr. or Miss Company, do you want it that I can have a way that someone could put in leads? You could be notified. I could put it onto an email list for you. I could have it set up for this one-time webinar once a month. Oh my gosh, this sounds like this crazy marketing system. Yeah, that'll be $500 a month, please. Takes me 10 minutes to set up the thing in here. That's the kind of stuff that can be done. So we'll see you on the next video.